Hi everyone, this is Anand Kumar from InnoValueWorks. I am a Salesforce developer here. Today we are going to see about how to link the Tableau with CRM Analytics and also how to push the data output of the Tableau flows to CRM Analytics too. First, we need to know what is CRM Analytics and what is Tableau. Basically, there are no major difference between these two terms. Both are used to understand the business behaviors and preferences based on their customer or client data in order to make their decisions better in their future. Difference between CRM Analytics and Tableau. Tableau is a tool which gets the data from multiple data resources and make them into a meaningful one. On the other hand, CRM Analytics is more specialized and built for CRM systems only. For example, Salesforce. Data flows and data sets. These are most important things in the CRM Analytics. Data flows contains multiple methods like nodes to process the data and make them into a meaningful one, which represents the business. And data set is a finalized output of that data flows. Need of Tableau. We know CRM Analytics has some restrictions in it. So in these such cases, we need to go for Tableau. For example, we can't use the script like Python or languages in order to process the data and achieve the complex logic in it. But we can do that in the Tableau. So in these scenarios, we need to go for Tableau and process the data and get that output from Tableau to CRM Analytics. So our theory part is over. Let's jump into the demo. This is my Tableau account. So I create a project, name it as Salesforce. So first I need to create for a virtual connection to connect the Salesforce. So search for Salesforce. So link whatever you need in this. Hello. Now I can see every tables of that Salesforce org. I need account and user tables only. Let's take a requirement. I need a account details with their account owner details. So in this case, I need only two tables for demo purpose. So check it and run pending extracts. It took 10 seconds or more. It extracted it. We can see here embedded credentials. So this represents we don't want to embed these credentials on every flows. Once we create a virtual connection and embed the credentials, it will used in every flows without we re-logging or re-enter the credentials there. Enter the connection name Salesforce connection and click publish. We create a virtual connection and go for the project and refresh the page. Click new and create a flow. Now we successfully log in and get the tables from the Salesforce. We're going to process the data in the flow. Connect to data, click Tableau server, search for virtual connection. Here and Salesforce connection. Connect. Now I can able to see the two tables here. Click account. There are 63 fields and click user. In the user table, I need only ID and name of that user. I need to remove all the fields here. So I choose everything and deselect ID, name. Click and hide fields. Or you can use the remove fields to remove the fields from here. So let's remove it. I think that's the best idea. So only 2 fields are included from that 176 fields. Now drag the user above the account table. Now it's joined. Add owner details. In the left side, search for owner ID and then user table, leave it as it is. Now we join the owner details in the account. Now click on clean step to remove the unwanted name in the fields. Clean step, rename fields. So here we can see -1 is embedded after that user fields. So we need to remove that. Click these 2 fields and rename fields. We can remove or add prefix or suffix for 1 to many fields at a time. Add prefix owner dot rename. So now we can see owner dot name and owner dot id after that process is completed. Yeah, we can see that. Still I need to remove that -1. So replace the text and -1 rename. We can able to see -1 will be removed from that fields. Now is the exact part where we need to do output. Here we can see save output to. So this is the place where we can set the CRM analytics, and then we need to connect the Salesforce org once again. So Tableau will store that data in this org. Click allow. Click that connection and browse datasets. Enter a name, account details from Tableau. Accept. Rename the flow. Salesforce connection account details. Publish it. Embed the credentials. Publish. So based on these settings, which I was previously given in the output, the data will be stored or pushed from the Tableau to CRM Analytics. Okay, flow is published successfully. So now go to project and refresh the page, we can find the flow here. Before run the flow, we need to check the connection is embedded here. Yeah, it was embedded. Now we can run the flow. Run. It took some time, so we can log into the org in order to check that data set was correctly pushed to the CRM Analytics. Data manager. We can see the jobs were run here. Once the Tableau push the data set here, we will see the jobs here. So still bending. So it was started to running because I have 1,000 or above accounts in my org. So it took some time. We can see here also the data set will running here. Once the status will be succeeded, we can also find the data set in my Salesforce CRM Analytics. It was succeeded with 1386 rows. We can also find that here. Yeah, it was succeeded. So click manage data flows to get that data. Here click explore. We need to check the data were correctly populated. Owner name. I have a field annual revenue in the account. We need to verify that with the Salesforce data to select owner dot name from account group by owner dot name sum of revenue. This was my user 4684276. So the exact number will be here. Now we can say the correct value will be populated from Tableau to CRM Analytics. So this is the way how can we link the Tableau with CRM Analytics and also push the data from Tableau to CRM Analytics too. I hope this video will help you very well. Thank you.